So hello and good morning guys, namaste YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So we have arrived at the Adventure Marvel. So the ride kickstarts in like 5 minutes or so. This is where the registrations and all are taking place.
Assemble at parking. Everyone assemble at parking. Book your bike.
You hear that? Let's go. See you guys on the bike. Yep, let's go. The lineup has begun. Just getting up and even we are joining. Really sunny, really hot, really humid it is right now. But I think I will prefer humid over the slushy terrain which will be caused due to the rains. Let's see. फ्यूज उड़ गया? नहीं चालू हो गया क्या? करो स्टार्ट. हाँ चलो, let's go. So stopped here for like 2 minutes to change the GoPro's battery. Okay, now less talking, more doing. Still the broken tarmac continues. Post this broken tarmac ends, the 20-25 kilometer trail begins. So yeah, been almost like 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes since the flag off started, and still the broken tarmac continues. I think by the time we reach the trail we will be already exhausted, which is a really bad thing. Now I'm turning off the GoPro. As soon as the trail starts I will be turning it on again because don't have really much of the juice left in it already. Alright, so trail start from here. Oh boy. Crazy steep incline this one looks like. रुक जा. Momentum. We made it. Oh fuck. Just taking a breath. Crazy this one seems. Chalo. GoPro is on. Oh fuck. Nope, not this line. No grip, man. Karu push? Huh. Oh boy. Oh fuck. Quite some climb this one is. Let's help out others. Oh, amazing trails. Baby is doing fine so far. Oh. Nice. That's the thing about the difficult trails. These are going to take you to places which you have never been on and which are really untouched. There's a 4x4. Can we go through? Yep. What a beautiful trail this one is. हाँ मारते 2-5 मिनट बाद रुके क्या? These things are scary. Amazing. The poor cows and bulls. Exactly. Easy, 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 easy. लगा दूं? साइड स्टैंड निकालो, साइड स्टैंड. हाँ, एक नंबर. Sexy view, man. Yeah. So far going amazing. So some people are saying only 20-30 minutes more. Then you can take your U-turn, and the thing is we have to come back the same way, which is going to be really difficult, but I think we'll figure it out. So yeah, going decent so far. Bike's doing okay. The Apollo on the rear is kind of messing everything up, but yeah, manageable. Just can't believe these people get to stay in the middle of such an beautiful place. I mean, just look at this. Amazing, right? So yeah, so far so good. I will keep you guys posted as soon as we start with the trails again. Just stopping here for like 5-10 minutes, water and some snacks. Yeah, done with a small break. Now back at it again. I don't think GoPro is doing any justice to this terrain. It might be looking like just some normal yellow mud, but trust me, it is slippery, and it is slippery as fuck. Okay, we are good. I don't know what this guy is doing. on the edge of the cliff. But no worries, no worries. Okay. Yeah, it is slippery, crazy slippery. So just going to, yeah. But so far compared to last year, it is a bit easy, or maybe not. Yeah, we are out. Oh god. Where are the trails? Don't tell me. Yeah, at least this looks better. Okay, टारगेट फिक्सेशन से एक बार बच चुके हैं, वापस नहीं करना है वैसा पंगा. Okay. Yeah, looks amazing on the GoPro, right? Trust me, doesn't really looks well behind the helmet. Crazy steep downhill this one is, and slippery mud. I should have taken that line, but now let's continue with this one. ओके क्या हो गया? या लुक्स नाइस. मैं थोड़ा स्लोली आगे चल रहा हूँ तब तक, ठीक है? Oh man, this is some downhill. Okay, so just confirmed with the management guy. He says the same trail is to be taken for going back. Now that is going to be a bit challenging on some parts, but yeah, let's see. Okay, small water crossing. Now the hill climb begins, and there was a point after which there was no going forward, so everyone has just taken a U-turn clutch plates are going bad because of these guys. I'm just stopping here for a minute. Clutch plates are gonna get fucked up because of clutch की वाट लग जाएगी. ये रुक रहे बीच में लोग. पूरा फक हो रहा मोमेंटम. रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ. आने दो इसको. उस साइड से जाओ उस साइड से. आराम से चलो अब आगे. Come on, man. ऐसी जगह पे रुक रहे हैं, पूरे मोमेंटम की वाट लग रही है. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट क्लच प्लेट्स की. ओके चढ़ जा भाई चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा. हाँ, this is where the extra torque comes in handy. Scary hill climb part is done. चलते रहो रुकना नहीं. रुक गए तो गए रुकना नहीं. No worries, done. Just look at this, guys, so fucking beautiful. Exactly. So after the U-turn, like almost 20-30% is done. So probably 60-70% of the trail is done. Compared to last year, it isn't even like 50% होगा last year के हिसाब से ना ये trail. Hardly 50-60%, that's it. पिछले साल तो बहुत ज़्यादा hectic था. This year, thanks, no rains. So the terrain is a bit dry. Yogesh bhai says beautiful. So yeah. So now just heading back to the adventure marble place, and yeah, just a bit of hill climbs and 2 steep downhills which I am a bit nervous about, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, so done with a short break. Now time to head back. क्या हो गया? ऑल गुड? जाके आए ना? हो गया है? क्या हो रहा है? चालू हो रहा है ना बाइक? आराम से आओ, एंड तक तो आराम से आओ. Nice. This is why we come for the off-road expedition. The place is where these guys make the trail or plan the trail, we can say. It's just fucking beautiful. So beautiful this is. So damn beautiful. Almost 70-80% of the trail is done, so we are just stopping here for like 10-15 minutes, enjoying the best of this view. That's the Snowball. That's Yogesh Bhai's bike. Nice, amazing. Yep. Yeah. The trail ends here. The broken gravel, the thing that I hate the most, starts from here. Okay, now the throttle seems perfect. Don't know why, for some reason throttle response all of a sudden had dropped out. Oh, a 4x4, and that to a gypsy. Wow. Also, after today's ride, I can really say Apollo doesn't do really that well, especially on the loose gravel compared to Seat. No, Apollo does sucks big time on loose gravel, slush, mud, dirt. It is definitely way better than the Seat, but for some reason on this loose gravel the bike is just not under control at all. Also, the front MRF motocross has worked magic on this expedition. So this is about it, the broken gravel until the adventure marble place. So we'll be just turning off now. We'll meet you guys once we reach adventure marble. So see you guys in a bit. And we have arrived, finally, proudly completed off-road expedition with 0 fucking falls. For some weird reason this came out.
Not that difficult.
Yeah, final done. Yeah. So with that, finally off-road expedition 2020 has been accomplished, and that too with 0 freaking falls. Yep. Such a feeling this is. But the trails were hardly 50% difficult compared to last year. So pretty great fun it has been, as you guys saw. And this is about it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.